It doesn't matter what format you play, even if it's T20 or one day. You have to adapt constantly, and whenever you're playing for India, it's you have a responsibility, so you have to live up to it.
IPL 2013 में इनके बॉलिंग एक्शन को देखकर बहुत कम लोगों ने सोचा होगा कि जसप्रीत बुमराह एक दिन इंडियन पेस अटैक के लीडर बनेंगे। लेकिन जॉन राइट ने इनके डोमेस्टिक परफॉर्मेंसेस को नजर रखते हुए बुमराह को मुंबई इंडियंस में ड्राफ्ट किया और बुमराह ने अपने IPL डेब्यू में विराट कोहली, मयंक अग्रवाल और करुण नायर तीनों को डिसमिस किया था। India is grateful to John Wright because today, Jasprit Bumrah is amongst the world's best.
We signed a couple of young guys just before the first game, Jasprit being one of them. He's, as you saw today, he's unusual. He's got a different type of action. He's got a short run up that bowls pretty lively pace and creates different angles, bowls from wide in the crease and angles and swings the ball in. So, you know, we just thought that he could be a real wicket-taking option for us in these conditions. So we gave him an opportunity today, and he was probably a little bit nervous for his first over, but got wickets when we needed him.
Fast bowlers के लिए hard work का कोई substitute नहीं, and doesn't he know it? Bumrah lost his father when he was 5 years old. He grew up in a middle-class family और cricket shoes barely afford कर पाते थे। शायद यही कारण है कि बुमराह आज बैट्समैन के शूज को टारगेट करते हैं with his lethal yorkers.
Whenever I practice in the nets, I practice each and every situation, be it with the new ball, be it with the old ball, bowling at the dead. So if I've ticked all the boxes in the nets, so in the match it's all about execution and keeping a clear head. So I like to do that. So all of that preparation helps me in the matches. So if the work ethic is good, I think the execution then feels much more easier in the game.
It was Bumrah's 2015-2016 domestic performance and an unfortunate injury to Mohammad Shami that saw Bumrah board the flight to Australia in 2016. बुमराह ने सीरीज के 5वें ODI में अपना डेब्यू किया and took 2 wickets for 40 runs. उसके बाद उन्होंने सबको इम्प्रेस किया by picking up 6 wickets in his first 3 T20I matches.
As far as just the talent is concerned, there were quite a few people, who looked good. But as I said, they'll have to improve further. Find for me was Bumrah. The way he has bowled in the last 3 games, he has been really good.
Determined to not fade away, Jasprit Bumrah continued his transformation into an international fast bowler by working on his fitness. उन्होंने विराट कोहली से इंस्पिरेशन ली, अपने डाइट को कंट्रोल किया, एक्सरसाइज को पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ बना दिया और बन गए एक लीन मीन बॉलिंग मशीन।
मैं टीवी में जब छोटा था तो मैं बहुत सारे क्रिकेटर्स को बॉलिंग करते देखता था, तो उसके वजह से पता नहीं कैसे ये एक्शन डेवलप हो गई। बट मेरे जब भी मैं NCA में गया हूँ, कहीं भी गया हूँ, तो मेरा एक्शन चेंज करने की कोशिश किसी ने नहीं की थी। मुझे सिर्फ बोला कि बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, क्योंकि उनको था कि जो कुछ मेरे पास जो पेस है वो शायद चली जा सकती है, तो इसके लिए मैं उस मामले में लकी रहा हूँ।
And Bumrah isn't just a one-trick pony. These days he bowls the in-swinger, gets the ball to hold its line, bamboozles batsmen with slower ones at unexpected moments, and even has a vindictive short delivery.
What makes him so special is is because he's so unique. Maybe the batsmen pick up his balls a little later, and which they normally do from very clean actions, and that makes him so much more potent.
IPL इनका stepping stone रहा होगा, लेकिन बुमराह has had a stellar run in Test cricket. He picked up 4 wickets in his debut test against South Africa in 2018 और तब से इंडिया को कई famous Test wins दिलाए हैं in Australia and England in his 22 Test sole career.
I'm really delighted for him. He's someone who really works hard on his game. He's someone that has given us breakthroughs when we wanted in the series, and he's bowled his heart out. So I'm really happy for him. He really wanted Test cricket badly, and he's shown what a high-class bowler he is.
चाहे वो शॉन मार्श हो या ऑली रॉबिन्सन, बुमराह हैज डेवलप्ड द नैक ऑफ पिकिंग अप मैच डिफाइनिंग विकेट्स।
जसप्रीत बुमराह की स्ट्रेंथ है कि वो स्पेशली जो ओल्ड बॉल्स है उनका जो एक्शन है, चाहे वो स्लो बॉल है और यॉर्कर है, वो डालते हैं और वो डे बाय डे सीख रहे हैं और यहाँ से वो बेहतर ही होंगे जो उनकी एज अभी है।
The only question mark looms around his longevity. 2014 में उन्हें नी इंजरी हुआ था। रिसेंट पास्ट में साइड स्ट्रेन और लंबार स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर भी सह चुके हैं। बुमराह अपने फिटनेस को लेकर कभी भी रिलैक्स नहीं कर सकते और इंडियन टीम मैनेजमेंट को इनके वर्कलोड पर नजर रखना होगा। But if Jasprit Bumrah manages to remain fit and play out a long career, he will finish up as one of the fast bowling greats in all formats.